tabs in this spreadsheet. Notice that I have one tab down here at the bottom, and I can click plus, and I can add them one at a time, and then double click to put what I want them to say. But this is slow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try using TemplateTab. And so what I'm going to do there is instead, I'm going to go to the add-ons menu, TemplateTab. You do need to have this installed, so you might want to first get add-ons, define TemplateTab. I'm going to set up the sheet. Now what this is going to do is it's going to give me a spot for my roster, and you'll notice it says roster. However, you can put anything here you want. Budget, people, location, sheet 4, sheet 5, more sheets 6, and then I simply come up to the add-on menu, go to Template tab, and run Template tab, and it's going to create a tab for each one of those spreadsheets. Now let's say that you have a template or something that you want to put on each of those. So you can use Template tab for this too. So even though I've designed it as a teacher to make a tab per student, add-ons, Template tab, setup sheet, and I'm going to put budget, math department, English department, science department. And so over here where it says put template here, I can set the whole thing so that it's centered, that I turn on word wrap. I'm going to freeze the first row. I'm going to put the dates for the school year. And drag this down. So it's all set for each of my tabs. So if there's general things you want for each tab, you can design them on the template. And under roster, I'm not making a roster, I'm just making a list of the tabs that I want, and run Template tab. So as you can see along the bottom here, it is creating those tabs. I have a budget tab, and I have an English department tab, and a science department tab, and each one of them has the template that I designed.